Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're just going to polish this aluminum tray with the Brasso Metal Polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Brasso Metal Polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum tray till it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Brasso Metal Polish is a long-standing, highly trusted formula designed to polish and restore metal surfaces using a fine abrasive blend that enhances shine and removes dullness. On aluminum, it delivers fast, noticeable results and brings out a bright, reflective finish with impressive clarity. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.